Let me walk you through Deye Next Generation Innovations, Redefining Energy Independence. That's how the innovation is made energy freedom possible. Let me walk you through Deye Next Generation Innovations, Redefining Energy Independence. That's how the innovation is made energy freedom possible. Let me walk you through Deye Next Generation Innovations, Redefining Energy Independence. That's how the innovation is made energy freedom possible. Let me walk you through Deye Next Generation Innovations, Redefining Energy Independence. That's how the innovation is made energy freedom possible.
Hi everyone, here is Shanghai SNEC PV Power Exposition, and we are right at the Deye booth. I'm your host Sarah. Today I will show you Deye's latest solar and ESS. We will explore technology trends at the front of the industry. We're also excited to have a special guest with us today, Deye's Director of Marketing, 𝐋𝐈𝐕𝐄. Welcome, 𝐋𝐈.
Hi, Sarah. I'm glad to be here, and I will introduce our products, including solar inverter, hybrid inverter, and ESS.
Okay, so let's start with the product just behind us, okay?
Okay, let's move to here. This is our awareness energy management system. This part is our Deye 𝐋𝐈𝐕𝐄. It's our monitoring platform. We call it Deye 𝐋𝐈𝐕𝐄. And this is the monitoring interface, as we can see. This is the monitoring interface. With this monitoring platform, we can set the parameters of the inverter. Also, we can updating the inverter firmware. And the 90% problem can be solved by the monitoring platform. Also, come here. We also have a chat robot. We call it AI chatbot. This AI chatbot, he can answer some questions. You can ask some questions to him, and he will reply you immediately. And this robot, he understands more than 13 languages and work 20 hours per day. Okay, let's move to here. This is our hybrid inverter. a single phase 8 kilowatt hybrid inverter. This is the colorful touch LCD, and this is the 4 buttons. And this switch 1, switch 2, switch 3, switch 4, corresponding smart plug, smart plug 1, plug 2, plug 3, plug 4. This is, we call it a smart device. Besides this, we also have another smart meter, awareness meter. And this smart meter communicates with the inverter with the LoRa communication. This device is a smart TX. Actually, is a concentrate for the smart device. It communicates with the smart plug with the LoRa, and this is our EV charger. This EV charger also is smart EV charger. And this is the AC switch, smart AC switch. This is the 3-phase, 25 amps rated current. This one is a single phase, 16 amps. So, think about this situation. If you already leave your house, but you forgot to turn your light, and you want to turn it off to save your electricity bills, so you can turn off your light on the map, on the Deye cloud app. So it's very convenient and smart. Okay.
So yeah, this system is really smart, I think.
Yeah, very smart and convenient for the user.
Okay, so I just heard you mentioned the ESS solution.
Yeah.
Yeah, so why not we see it?
Okay, let's go.
Small scales, ESS, large scales,
Yeah, so here we have the PCS and the 80 kilowatt with the VOSA battery. So why not you introduce these 2 stars to our audience?
Okay, let's start with this one. Okay, come here. This is the PCS system. And we use the PCS is 100 kilowatt. That is the model, PCS-L01HP3. This system including many 2 parts. Oh, this one is the STS. This one is the MPPT module. And this one is the PCS. PCS, power conversion system. It has LCD and the 4 buttons. And this is the AC output of the PCS. This is the Wi-Fi dongle. And this is the communication port, like the battery communication port, and the communication port for the MPPT module. And this is the battery port. This is the MPPT power cable connected here. Okay, let's see here. PCS power, 100 kilowatt. And another model is 125 kilowatt. The battery capacity is 215 kilowatt hour. Each MPPT module is 200 kilowatt, and the STS, the rated power is 500 kilowatt. And this is the battery. The battery is the Boss B. Okay, let's come here. This is the control box for the battery, for the high voltage battery. And the battery model is the Boss B. And the battery cell is 280 amps hour. Yeah, this is the output circuit break. This is the power terminal connected to the PCS. And this system can be expanded to 2.5 megawatt hour. So this system can be used for the large scale commercial system. Okay, let's move to there. This is our another system. This system including 80 kilowatt hybrid 3-phase hybrid inverter. This is the hybrid inverter, 80 kilowatt. Also has the LCD and the 4 buttons. And the logo, it has 2 colors, the blue and the red. When there was a fault or alarm, the color will come to red. Okay, move here. We can see we install a solar PV module optimizer here. And the rated current is 50 amps. This is the optimizer concentrator. So this concentrator can connect maximum 25 solar optimizer. When there was an emergency situation, the concentrator can turn off the optimizer very fast and safely. For example, when there was a fire, so it will make sure the fire won't affect the AC side. Okay, this is the battery. This battery model is Boss A. This is the Boss A. We can see here, each battery module is 7.6 kilowatt-hour module, and we use the 100 amps-hour cell. For this battery system, we use the 21 pieces battery module in series. Okay, let's come here. This is the main parameters for the hybrid inverter. Okay, let's see it clear. This is the 8 kilowatt 3-phase hybrid inverter. It has a 2 independent battery DC-DC circuit, and each battery DC-DC circuit current is 80 amps. So in total, the battery charge and the discharge current is 160 amps. The maximum PV input voltage is 1000 volt. For the battery voltage also is 1000 volt. And we install microinverter here. This is the AC coupler system. AC coupler on the generator port. And this 80 kilowatt hybrid inverter, it has 6 MPPT. Each MPPT has 2 strings. In total is 12 strings. Each string is 80 amps. Okay.
Well, Cal, these are really 2 stars in Deye. And I know we have another ESS solution. It's a little bit older than this one, but it's still brilliant, right?
Yes, another.
It's just behind it.
Hybrid inverter.
Yeah, it's here.
Yes,
yeah, it's 50 kilowatt hybrid inverter with the BOSG Pro battery. And I know this because it has won award by PV magazine, and it has prized by Do It All, right?
Yes, because I remember when we published this product, at that time, this model is the biggest 3-phase hybrid inverter on the market. So I'm not very surprised we can get the award from the PV magazine. It has a very big reflection because it's the first unit, first hybrid inverter with the 2 independent DC-DC circuit. And each battery DC-DC circuit current is 50 amps. So in total, the battery charge and the discharging current is 100 amps. It has the 4 MPPT. Each MPPT has 3 strings. Oh, each MPPT has 2 strings. Also, it supports the AC coupler. We have the 3 kind of different AC coupler method. One is the AC coupler on the generator port. Another is the AC coupler on the grid side, or AC coupler on the load side. Okay, let's see the battery. This is the Boss G Pro, and each battery model is 5.1 kilowatt hours, and the battery cell capacity is 100 amps hour. For this battery system, we use 12 modules in series. Okay, let's go ahead.
Okay, so let's turn around, and here we have a round display brand, and it includes 7 inverters of Deye, and we can see the descriptions above them. So, Kyle, could you just do a quick introduction for us.
Okay.
Oh, so many people here.
Yeah,
They're
a lot
all
of
interested
people.
on our
Yeah.
product.
Okay, let's start from this unit. This unit is the local design. They don't have any screws on the front side. So we use a lock here. Come here. Yeah, there was 2 lock here. We use this lock to fix the cover or open the cover. And this one is a single phase 5 kilowatt SG04. And the battery charger and the discharging current is 120 amps. This has a 2 MPPT. Okay, let's move here. Let's see this unit. This one is a single phase 10 kilowatt SG02. This one design is different with the previous one. As we can see, there was a 3 fan on the back side. This is a DC switch. This is the on-off button for the hybrid inverter. Now here, this is the LCD, colorful touch LCD. We also have the 4 buttons and the 4 indicators. Okay, let's see here. From the nameplate, we can see more detailed information from here. The battery voltage range is from 40 to 60 volts. And this unit is a single phase 8 kilowatt. This is the biggest single phase hybrid inverter on the market, 8 kilowatt. It has a 3 MPPT single phase. Each MPPT current is 30 amps, 36 amps. Each string current is 80 amps, and we still use the low voltage battery. The maximum charge and the discharge current is 350 amps. It's very big. And let's see this unit. This is a 3-phase 12 kilowatt hybrid inverter. Also, it's local design. This is a data log. And let's see the detailed information from the nameplate. It has a 2 MPPT. Okay, let's see this one. This one is the 3-phase low voltage 20 kilowatt hybrid inverter. SG05. Also, it's a local design. We have the lock here. We have the lock here to fix the cover. It has a 2 MPPT. Each MPPT has a 2 strings, so in total 4 strings. And the maximum charge and the discharge current is 350 amps. It's very high, this current. For the low voltage hybrid inverter, the bigger advantage is the safety and the more flexible to expand the battery capacity. And this one is a 20 kilowatt 3-phase high voltage hybrid inverter. The battery voltage range is from 160 to 1700. It has a 2 MPPT. Here we can see a more detailed information here. The battery charge discharging current is 37 amps. And let's see this one. This one is the 3-phase 30 kilowatt hybrid inverter. Also, it has a screw on the front side. Colorful touch LCD and the 4 buttons and the indicators. We can see the detailed information here. This one has the 3 MPPT. Each MPPT has 2 strings. Each string current is 80 amps. It's very big. It's suited for 700 watt solar panel. And the battery charger and the discharging current is 75 amps. Okay.
Here, we really have brilliant inverters.
Yeah, we have too many models for different countries.
Actually, yeah. And I think we have another star product which is very popular in the remote area families. And it is called off-grid inverter solution, right?
Yeah, exactly. We also have the off-grid inverter for the area which the grid is not stable.
Yeah, that's very useful.
Okay, this is our off-grid inverter, this unit. Single phase, 6 kilowatt. The power range is from 3 kilowatt to 6 kilowatt. Also, for the 3 kilowatt model, the battery voltage is 24 volt. Also, it has the LCD, touch LCD, and the 4 buttons. It has the 2 MPPT. And we can see the detailed information here. We can see each string current is 18 amps, it's very big. The battery charge discharge current is 135 amps. This is the battery for the off-grid inverter, we use this unit. This one we use the battery cell is 340 amps cell. Charge current 160 amps, very big. This is the main features for the off-grid system. We can use the diesel generator to charge the battery and power the load. And it can output 2 times rated power for 10 seconds. IP65 protection degree. I think in the market, most of the hybrid off-grid inverters they use IP20 protection degree. But we use IP65. And we provide 5 years warranty. And 4 milliseconds for the on-grid and the off-grid switching. Okay, let's move.
Okay, that's great. And let's turn around. We have the string inverter solutions. Okay, now we have the off-grid and we have the grid-tied. So what's the difference between them?
Okay, good question. I think many people is not very clear about this question. For the string inverter, normally it need to grid. When the grid shut down, the string inverter will stop working. This is a big difference for the string inverter and the off-grid inverter. Yeah. And the string inverter don't connect to the battery, but the off-grid can connect to the battery. When the grid shut down, the battery can discharge to give the power to the load.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
Okay.
Okay, so we can start with this.
Okay, let's start with this one. This one is a single phase, 8 kilowatt string inverter. It has a 2 MPPT. Yeah. This is the detailed information. The first string has 18 amps current. The second MPPT has 2 strings. Each string is 30 amps. This is a 3-phase 12 kilowatt string inverter. It has a 2 MPPT. This is the Wi-Fi dongle. This one is the 3-phase 36 kilowatt string inverter. Okay, let's see the here. This is the data log. With the data log, we can monitor this inverter on the Deye iCloud monitoring platform. This terminal is connected to the grid. This is the meter port. You see, we connect to the energy meter. If you want to use the third-party monitoring platform, you can use this port, RS485 port. And this is the 50 kilowatt 3-phase string inverter. We call it a Sun 50K G04. It has the 4 MPPT. Yeah, more information we can see here. 4 MPPT. Each MPPT has the 3 strings. This is the MPPT4. You see, MPPT4 has 3 strings. Each MPPT has 3 strings. So in total has 12 strings. And let's see this one. This one is the 8 kilowatt 3-phase string inverter. Has the 4 MPPT. power range from 60 kilowatt to the 80 kilowatt. And we have the LCD here. We have the 4 buttons. And we also have the 4 indicators. When the DC is on, which means there was a DC voltage was measured. When the AC is on, when there was an AC voltage is measured. Normal, which means this inverter working in the normal state. When there was a fault or alarm, then this alarm indicator will be on. This is the detailed information. The maximum DC input power is 120 kilowatt. And this is our new model, 136 kilowatt string motor. This unit, it has 8 MBPD. Yeah, each MBPD has 4 strings, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, and we have the 3 DC switch. This is the data log. This part is for the grid side connection. When you want to connect to the grid, you need to open this box. So it's more convenient to connect to the grid cable.
Okay, so the next product we will see, it is smaller than what we saw before. So can you guess what it is?
I think you are talking about a microinverter.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's see this one. This is the microinverter. This one is 500 volt, 1 MPPT. This is the string. Connect one panel, one solar panel. This is the antenna, Wi-Fi antenna. This is the AC plug. So each MPPT connect one solar panel. So the MPPT efficiency is very high. And this one is the 800 watt microinverter. It has 2 strings, 2 solar panels. Connected 2 solar panels. And this is the AC side. This is the relay inside. This is the AC plug. This current, maximum DC current is 50 amps. This one is the setting. Oh, this one is our new model. It has a small LCD and a small button and the indicator here. And the power is 1,100 volt. Also is 1 MPPT only.
Okay, so we can see something we can use in our home. Our balcony solar.
Yeah, this is also is our another new product. We call it balcony energy storage system. It mainly composed by 2 parts: the microinverter and the battery. This part actually is the microinverter, but this microinverter is not the normal, ordinary microinverter because it can charge the battery. The battery also can be discharged. It has the LCD, touch LCD. You can set the parameters and check the PV grid load battery information here. And the battery, each battery module is 2 kilowatt hour. You can expand the battery capacity to 10 kilowatt hour. Okay, let's move here. It has a lot of terminals. This is the grid port. This is for the CT, home load. This is the on-off button. And this is the load port, AC plug. It's very convenient. You just plug your home appliance here. And it has a 2 USB and the Type-C USB port. Very convenient. You even can control the USB on and off with this button. And we have another model. Is the BK200. The microinverter power is 2 kilowatt. Another model is this one. Okay, move here. The battery The microinverter power is 2 kilowatt. 2 kilowatt. But the capacity is the same. This one. Have a look. 2 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt hours. And we also have the split type balcony energy storage system. This is the microinverter part. It communicates with the battery with the LoRa communication. So it's very convenient. And this product is very popular in Europe.
Yeah, it's true. And okay, so thank you for your explanation. We get really lots of information today, like the inverter, the ESS. So now we are going to the next part. So see you later. Bye.
Okay, see you later, Sarah.
Mike. Okay. Okay, so next we are going to Deye's energy storage part, and we also invited the pre-sales technical expert, Gary, to explain what they are to us. Okay, so let's go. So hi Gary.
Yeah, hello everyone. This is Gary. Thank you for your. Very happy to be there to introduce our Deye ESS products here.
So now we can see we have the residential energy system solutions. So please introduce these products for us.
Yeah, here you can see our 5 kinds of Deye ESS low voltage products. Let's introduce them one by one. Firstly, we will introduce this wall-mounted low voltage batteries. We can see this is the SEF5 series and SEF12 and SEF5 Pro. These 3 products are SEF series, and they are highly compact. They're smaller in size and small in size and lightweight. It's very friendly to customer to installation this battery. And these 3 batteries all have the intelligent BMS inside the battery pack. The BMS can do some monitoring communication and protection for these batteries, such as overcharging, over discharging, overcurrent, and overheating. Also, we integrated the Bluetooth modules inside the battery cabinet. It can support locally connect to your smartphone to monitor and control the battery pack. Then, and for the 3 batteries, they all can do -20 to 55 degrees Celsius. Operation temperature range. It's a so wide range for customers to use this system in some extreme environment. Then let's mostly take a look at this one. This is our products SEF5 Pro for all over the world. And this one, you can see the front side, it have 2 output ports, and they all the plug-in interface. It's very easy to customer to install this one. And there is the Wi-Fi module. You can see this one can support Wi-Fi module customized. The Wi-Fi can let the battery come to the Deye cloud and do some monitoring and control. For this 3, also we can see they all have the circuit breaker to protect the internal circuit of the battery. It's really safety for the battery system. And for the power, and it has the flexible capacity expansion for this battery. They all can support 32 units parallel. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. This is the all-in-one ESS solution, the RWF 5.3 1H3. This battery pack integrated 5 kilowatts inverter and 5.32 kilowatts battery inside it. For this battery, it is IP65 protection level. it's very good for to against the dust and the water. And for this one, also can do -20 to -10 to 55 degrees Celsius operation temperature range. It's very suitable for so many scenarios. And for this battery, it also can flexible capacity expansion. For the AC side, it can parallel 16 battery system like this to reach the capacity 85 kilowatts hour. And for DC side, we also can expansion another 31 battery 5 kilowatts batteries to another 31 5 kilowatts hour batteries to do the expansion to reach the power 170 kilowatts hour. It's not only suitable for some household but also for some business scenarios. And if you want to look more bigger capacity solution, we can take a look at this one. This is our wall-mounted battery, low voltage wall-mounted battery, RWL 10.2. For this battery, it's IP65 protection level also, and you can see it have a smart screen. This screen can show the battery accurate SOC and alarm state. For this one, also have a flexible capacity expansion capacity ability. For this one, it can also parallel 32 battery packs to reach the capacity 320 kilowatts hour. It's a so big capacity, more suitable for some high energy household and business situation. You can see this one. Also have a circuit breaker to protect the internal circuit. It's really friendly to customer. And for the installation, this one can support not only wall-mounted installation but also floor-mounted. Then for the high voltage users, we also have this. We also prepared these two kinds of products, the SSF5 and SSF10. From their name, we can know that this one is 5 kilowatts hour and this one is 10 kilowatts hour. They all can support wall-mounted installation and floor-mounted installation. They are high voltage. For this one, it have the 80 battery cells in series with the cells 20 ampere hour to the voltage 256 kilowatts. For this one, it have 160 battery cells in series, also 20 ampere hour cells can reach the voltage 512 volts. You can see these two batteries all have the smart screen, can show the battery accurate SOC and alarm state. And for these two batteries, all have the flexible expansion ability. They all can parallel 6 battery packs. For this one, 6 battery packs can reach the capacity 30 kilowatts hour, and for this one, 6 battery packs can reach the power 60 kilowatts hour. You can see there are also MC4 ports to do the DC side connection. It's really friendly to customer to installation this battery. They can directly plug in the port. Okay, this is all for the residential ESS solutions.
Okay, thank you, Gary. So now we know more about the wall-mounted battery and the all-in-one ESS. Wow,
Yeah.
That's brilliant. And I think our customers will be more attractive to like the commercial and industrial part, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's go and see it.
Okay.
And if you guys have any questions, please send it to our live stream. That's okay. Wow, so these cabinets are really hard to tell what they are.
Yeah,
Right?
you are right because all components inside the battery for this system is all integrated. We can introduce them one by one.
Okay,
We can introduce
can we
the
open
left
it?
side one first. This one is the air cooling ESS solution, MS-GS215-2H3. For this battery cabinet, it has the inside the battery cabinet. It has the battery packs, the PCS, MPPT module, and air cooling system, firefighting system, and also some electronic parts.
And can we open it?
Yeah. But no. Okay.
Oh.
But for this one cabinet, inside there is the battery pack. It has 15 battery packs. With each battery pack with energy 14 kilowatts hour to reach the capacity 215 kilowatts hour. And the inverter and the PCS here it's 100 kilowatts PCS. So this cabinet is 100 kilowatts to 15 kilowatts hour to reach 2 hours application. And for the photovoltaic input, we can maximum do 200 kilowatts photovoltaic power input. For this cabinet, also suitable for so many scenarios to using and expansion. This cabinet can connect to on-grid situation, off-grid situation, and on-off-grid switching situation. For on-grid situation, it can do maximum 20 packs, 20 cabinets in parallel to reach the power 2 megawatts, 4.3 megawatts hour. And for off-grid situation, it can maximum parallel 10 battery cabinets. And for on-off-grid switching situation, we can maximum parallel 5 battery cabinets. Then let's take a look at this one. This one is a faster switching cabinet, MSTS 500. Inside this cabinet, it has 500 kilowatts STS module. This cabinet usually used with the MS-GS215 to do the fast switching. This cabinet can connect 5 MS-G215 cabinets and can do the fast switching time less than 20 milliseconds. In summary, this system is really suitable for some situation like factories, supermarket, and many. Then we also have the photovoltaic bus and the EV charging system. This one is the CNI liquid cooling ESS solution, MS-LC430-2H2. Inside this cabinet, it has the liquid cooling device. It has the PCS module, 2 PCS module, and the battery pack. Also liquid cooling devices here. Also some firefighting system. It has 10 battery packs. Each battery pack 43 kilowatts hour, and it have and it have 100 kilowatts PCS module. So this cabinet is 200 kilowatts for 30 kilowatts hour ESS solution to reach the 2 hours application. And for the DC side expansion, it also can do DC side expansion. We can see this cabinet, the CNI liquid cooling ESS MSL C430 BC2 inside this cabinet. We only have the inside this cabinet. It only has the battery. It only has the battery system, the liquid cooling device, and some firefighting system. We deleted the PCS module inside this cabinet. So this is just a DC cabinet. You can see the PCS module. We remove it. It's only a DC cabinet to do the expansion with the AC cabinet. With this AC cabinet. And each AC cabinet can connect with 3 DC cabinets to do the expansion to meet 2 to 8 hours application. Also, we can take a look at another cabinet. This one. This one, the 420 kilowatts DC charging power cabinet, MS DC 422. This cabinet is a power distribution cabinet connected with the AC and DC cabinet. Then this cabinet can connect with another one. They also have the EV charging station. Okay.
Okay, so these cabinets are really economic, especially for the big factories.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see this special product, and I think it will appear at the gas station, maybe.
Yeah, you can see this is a EV charging station with two guns. It usually connects with the AC bus, DC bus, and this power distribution cabinet. Then to this EV charging station, you can see each station have two guns, and each gun with the maximum current 250 ampere and maximum 180 kilowatts. Also, the interface of the gun we can customize for you. You can see here have a smart screen. The smart screen can show the real-time charging information for you, and also like a smart computer can do so many functions. And here is the paying way for customer, like the postcard. And for this system, each AC and DC BESS can connect with one DC 420 power distribution cabinet, then to maximum for this station, and 8 guns. It's very suitable for so many scenarios.
Okay, so here we can see the utility scale ESS solution. So what does it use for?
Yeah, for this system, this is a larger capacity system we designed for utility scale ESS solution. We can first take a look at this one, the WSL 4 surround 300 2H2 cabinet. This one cabinet, we can take a look at the inside. They have so many battery packs, and here is the battery controller PDU. Inside this cabinet have 18 PDUs with 18 clusters. You can see on the front side it have 9 battery controller, and on the behind also have 9 controller. It's 18 output, and then this one is the PCS cabinet. It's used to do some conversion. We can look. This one is a WS PCS 2252. Inside this cabinet, it have 18 125 kilowatts PCS to reach the power 2250 kilowatts. And this one usually connect with this battery cabinet to do the power conversion to your system. This one cabinet IP55 and this one IP54 for outdoor using. And for this battery cabinet, it can do the operation temperature range from -30 to 55 degrees Celsius. It's really suitable for so many extreme situations. Then, if you want a smaller one, we can look at this one. This one is our air cooling ESS solution, WSGS 2002H3. This cabinet is more integrated. It has not only battery packs but also PCS inside it. It has 125 kilowatts PCS with maximum output power 1 megawatts. And there is a battery 2 megawatts hour for 2 hours application. And for this system is IP54 for outdoor using, and can do the operation temperature range from -20 to 55 degrees Celsius for so many extreme situations. Or in summary, this container ESS solution is really suitable for so so many power support situation and so many energy support energy support situations.
Okay, Gary, so now we know a lot about the energy storage, the batteries, and the commercial and industrial ESS solutions. Wow, that's a lot.
Yeah.
So thank you for your explanation.
Yeah,
Thank you.
welcome.
Have a nice day. Thank you. Okay, so now we'll go next part, and we all know that Deye has launched their own air conditioner. So let's go and see it.
Just sorry, we are on live for the broadcast.
Okay, thank you.
Can I get your
Okay.
name card? Yes. Oh, okay. This is my name card. This is the catalog. Without money. Thank you.
Okay, so hi, Boka, you are so busy now. Okay, so here we can see on the board, it says the AI-driven energy environment coordination solutions. Wow, so I guess maybe here the keyword will be the zero carbon.
Yes. Hello everyone. I'm happy to introduce Deye HVAC product to you. And Deye now aim to make full use of the sunshine and to make better life. And we create 3 series of the product. The keywords is hybrid. Hybrid means AC and DC we can combine together using the machine. While the daytime we can first connect at the outdoor have MC4 connectors, and the DC can directly drive the machine. While at nighttime or sunset, so the AC will automatically join in. And we also have different kind of series like the split, cassette, window, duct, and multi-zone with 1 outdoor can drive 3 indoors. We can just image that while the summer coming, we can turn the sunshine into the coolness. So it will be really fantastic. Now, secondly is for the solar heat pump. For the solar heat pump, this is 1 outdoor. We can covering the full house cooling and on the roof, on the floor watering, heating, and domestic hot water power supply. And look at this, the wire controller. This is an intelligent wire controller. While we turn on, we can adjust the temperature, and we can even holding all the aspects of your room conditions. We can turn on the light, turn off the light, and we can switch the lighter or darker for the conditions. So it's really very smart. And at the same time, we have the swimming pool heat pump, and we also have the air source water heat pump. Then we come to the last for the solar water pump. Well, we have the 2 kind of the series, the hybrid AC/DC and the DC. For the DC, purely we from the 600 watt to 800 watt. We only need 1 to 2 solar panel. We can drive the machine. And look at this LCD display. We can adjust the frequency to control the water flowing out speed. So it can reach the highest 200 meter head to drive the water from the underground to stock, to agriculture, to farming stock, and to your residential using. So much for this.
Okay, good introduction and good products, Bokai.
Yes.
So thank you for your explanation.
Thank you.
Hope you have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Okay, so now we need to find an old friend. Okay, hi Kyle.
Hi.
Hi, okay, please stand here. Oh, we meet again.
Yeah, let's to see you again.
Okay, everyone is crowded now.
Okay.
Well, so during the online show, well, we have received some questions from our audience. So let
What
me
is the
read
question?
one. Okay, Kyle, you can answer that. So what is the service life of the energy storage inverter and how to ensure the stable operation?
Oh, service life.
Yeah.
A complicated issue. We give the standard warranty, like for the stream inverter in South Asia country, we give 5 years warranty. But for the Euro country, for the hybrid inverter, we give the 10 years warranty. The service life of the whole system is not only about the inverter, also is met with the PV panel. So for the stream inverter, the design life, it can up to more than 10 years. Yeah.
10 years is long, yeah. So if any question you have, you can also send it on our LinkedIn or our Facebook platform. And if you are interested in any products, please contact with our sales. And that's it, that's our live. So have a nice day and please follow us, the Deye New Energy account. Okay, so that's all. Bye bye.
Bye bye.